We have now learned the parts of the body. Are you ready to learn the seasons? Can you say what are the 4 seasons? Yes, it is summer, winter, autumn and spring. Do you want to know what do you say for the seasons in French? Shall we? Le printemps. Le printemps means spring. So, what do we know about the spring season? Yes, it is the time flowers bloom. So, it is beautiful. Il fait beau. It means it is beautiful. This verb, fait, the infinitive form is the verb faire. We will be learning this verb in future. As of now, just see the expression. It is il fait beau. It is beautiful. Springtime is beautiful. Le printemps. L'été. L'été means summer. L'été. It is summer. So, what can we say about summer? Summer, it is a warm season. So, il fait chaud. Chaud. Il fait chaud. It means it is warm. The next season is l'automne. As the name indicates, it means the autumn season. Autumn or fall. So, we get rains in this season. So, we say il pleut. Il pleut. It means it rains. So, now we are learning the names of the seasons and an expression to explain how the season is. And finally, we come to l'hiver. It means winter. L'hiver. So, what do you know about the winter season? It is cold. So, il fait froid. Il fait froid. It is cold. So, now shall we say the names of the seasons? Le printemps, l'été, l'automne, l'hiver. Say it with me once again, slowly this time. Le printemps, le printemps, l'été, l'été, l'automne, l'automne, and l'hiver, l'hiver. So, these are the names of the 4 seasons. I hope you remember them. Shall we say it once again? So, le printemps, l'été, l'automne, l'hiver. So, which is your favorite season? My favorite season is l'automne because I love rain. So, you can use these in the sentences, the simple sentences that you already formed. You can try to use these words as well.